Hello everyone, it is your girl ItsDymaeshia here, and today I am going to be doing a recreation look of dojacat makeup looks. And I decided to recreate this look because it just looked fun and it looked like it's going to be easy to do. It's like a soft glam, a little bit of an eyebrow design. As you guys can see, I am coming back with more videos like this on my channel and also on my Instagram page, so make sure you guys follow me on Instagram so that you guys will be getting notified whenever I post my new videos. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, leave that notification bell on to get notified of my videos wherever I upload. Leave a like for this video and subscribe. Follow me on my social media down in the description below, and without further ado, let's get this makeup tutorial started. Do you guys have the Doja Cat makeup look? And I hope you guys really enjoyed this recreation makeup tutorial. If you guys do, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave that notification bell on to get notified of my videos wherever I upload. Follow me on my social media, that's in the description below. And I'll see you guys next time, and bye.